Back for some maths. We've got subtraction. We're going to use the formal written method, which is our column method. So unlike addition and multiplication, we can't use that commutative law, so it has to be this first number take away the second number. So therefore it's really important that that will always be the top number, showing that we're subtracting. We've got two 3-digit numbers, so we're just making sure the hundreds, tens and ones are all laid out above each other. Really similar to our addition. 2 lines for our answer, and then we start at our top number and we're going to take away the number underneath. So 4 take away 2 is nice and easy, it's 2. Then 80 take away 60, or 8 take away 6 is 2, or 20. And then 200 take away 100 is 100. Make sure we answer our question. Now here we've got a 3-digit number and we're taking away a 2-digit number, so we are going to need a placeholder. We're going to put in our top number first, and it's 92, so that needs to line up underneath the tens and the ones, showing that we're subtracting, and there's no hundreds for that number, so that's why our placeholder is going to go in the hundreds. 2 lines for our workings out. And we've got 2 take away 2, which leaves us with 0. Now here we've got 7 take away 9. We can't do 9 take away 7, we have to start with that 7, so we're going to need to exchange. We're going to need to, that's going to become 200 instead of 300, because we're going to move 100 across, and we're going to treat this as a 17. So 17 take away 9 we can now do, which is 8, or 80, because it would have been 170 take away 90. And now we're not left with a 3, remember we've got our 2, take away 0 is still 2. So our answer is 280, so we're answer our question. And then again, now we've got 2 3-digit numbers. Still really important that first number goes at the top. So we've got our first number, then our subtraction, then our second number. Two lines to put your answer in, you could use a ruler. Now already we've got 3 take away 5, which we can't do, so we're going to have to exchange, and this will become 50 rather than 60, and move the 10 across. 13 take away 5 we can do, which is 8. 50 take away 80 we can't do, so we have to exchange. So we've got 2 lots of exchange, that will become a 4, but then this will become a 15 or 150. 15 take away 8 is 7, or 70, because it's 150 take away 80. And then 4 take away 2, because remember it's no longer a 5, is just 200. So our answer is 278. So we have our 3 different scenarios where we've got no exchange, we've got 1 exchange, we also have to put a placeholder in, and we've got 2 lots of exchange. Pause the video and have a go at those questions. Did you get them right? Let's check our answers. We should have had 132, 381, and for the last one, just 86. Make up your own numbers and then complete some of your own questions. Just remember, it's really important, so we don't go into negatives, that first number is the bigger number, so we're going to do a bigger number and we're going to take away a smaller number, and then we'll get an answer that stays positive rather than negative.